This type of Barberry chicken rice is popular in Isfahan, Iran. Let's make it together. First, thinly slice the onion and sauté it in a pan with a little oil. Then, add the chopped chicken fillets and sauté them. Next, add turmeric, black pepper, poultry seasoning, saffron water, a pinch of salt, and tomato paste, and sauté for 5 minutes. Then, add the barberries and chopped pistachios, sauté for 1 minute, and then remove from heat. For the tahdig, pour some oil into a pot and add yogurt along with a bit of saffron water. Then, add 1 cup of partially cooked, drained rice and mix well. Layer another cup of partially cooked white rice on top, then add the chicken mixture, followed by another layer of partially cooked white rice, and press it down lightly. Pour ½ cup of boiling water on top, cover with a lid, and let it steam on low heat for about 45 minutes until cooked through. Serve with salad. Enjoy your meal.